Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Fu. Let's talk and do more action. We're gonna get some parts for the car. Let's go because it's summer. Where my key? It's my friend cars, the working cars. It's called hammer cars. That means work hard like a hammer. This is my friend workmate. We bought this car for 3 years. And then now about time we have to do service for the radiator. First time on TV he have a problem with the radiator. Last night he drive here all the way to Wollongong and the car got overheat, pull over, and the smoke go everywhere, and there was the radiator. So this car been serviced 3 years ago, and you see the water floods out from everywhere from here. I wish you can hear that. This is the aluminum, the radiator this day. Like I told you before many videos ago, he saw the smoke coming out and he stopped the car over, and I told him to fill up the water so before he drive here, don't let overheat and you will get trouble. But so far luckily it does not go overheat, and still in good nick for him. So we may have to get the new belt for him too, and of course new radiator. This is the manual one. It's a really hard working car. This car is old, but it make money. And some people buy new car to show up. The car doesn't make money, but even they lose value. This car getting older, still keep the value and make more money for you. So this is the working car. I suggest everyone should understand. With it good and with it bad, okay? Like me, I'm a stupid idiot. Keep all the shit car, no money. But if you keep that car, you make money. Okay, let's go. First thing first, we get to go and to the site, pick up the radiator. Okay. Just around corner, we welcome to Australia with the summer is nearly here. It's autumn, but autumn or spring, I don't know. I have no idea about the weather, man. But it's a bit hot today. It's 23 degrees Celsius inside the car now. It's warm, man. It's warm. Anyways, yeah, we tried to fix my friend's car, do a cheapest budget that I could, go and get some cheapest parts, brand new, but the cheapest part where I can get is better for him, because hard-working man, no money at all. And I do this for my friend as an exchange, because he do me a favor, do me a job, so I do this one for him. See, I do this one for him. We exchange jobs over and then we do it for free. So help each other out is the main keys. So let's go and pick up the radiator and to go home, put in, take 10 minutes, put on, and then we are loving cows. I'm at the place pick up the radiator. This is the warehouse, AP warehouse. If you live in Sydney, this is the warehouse that's selling almost all parts of the car. If you can see my YouTube, maybe help you guys bring them up and get the part from there, and maybe they can do delivery for you as well if you need any help. Okay, now I go inside, pick up my radiator and put on and fix for my friends. I would hop in the car and tell you good news. I got here, and the bad news is forgot to bring my wallet. No card, no money. So I have to drive home again to pick up my money so I can get my parts. Ridiculous. I always got my wallet in the car, but for somehow this morning I bring them inside. Oh, I left on the side, driver's side door, and I don't know why. Waste my time, you know. Now we drive back and pick up my parts. We leave you here. I leave you here and I walk in and pick up my radiator. Got money, and then we can have some talking. Okay. Okay. Oh, radiator in, please. One thing about the I buy this one from here, from the Chinese guys here. You know, when you deal with Asian made friends, they don't care what your number plates or whatever, just say the model number and 4-cylinder. They give you, they say they're all the same shit. So no worry about the chassis or the VIN's number or that rubbish. They know, man. They know well, so maybe sometime they're wrong, we have to go back. Who cares? Just drive for the car. Always heavy load, you see. I don't want advertising, but it's the hard working cars. All the tools here left here last night. Really very lucky where I live, very safety. No one want to steal anything, so good. And take out the radiator. And I have to drive him home yesterday, all the way. And he left the key in my car. Here for the key. Here the radiator. And we're looking for the parts that we need. Sorry, the tools to undo this one. Undo the fan here. And take out this one. Could be simple. One of the most simple car is this one. Because everything here, you can see it. You can see it, you can do it. Okay, and so simple. That bolt number 12, 10, 12. And the pliers. Lucky we do the car at home. We got everything. We got a car, we got a door open, got parts here. We got all kind of tools we want. And we can have the coffee, we can have drinks, we can have love. Oh no, we don't have any love. No love, no way. I wish, okay? I wish I have some loves. I have some love, okay? I wish I have some love. Okay, we got everything at home. It's so simple. These pliers. This one, number 10, number 12. Let boogie buddy, let's start business, man. Take up that one and let's drain the water out. And now the number 12 on the bottom, on the side of the radiator, and you can slide this one up all the way, okay? And my friend, he asked why it happened. If you guys know why, please answer for me, please. I don't know why it's leaking and busted out from there. My friend want to know the answer. I don't know why. Okay, I just replaced for him. See, we try to find the easy way for you. Okay, this one off and this one out. Let's slide this one to forward. Okay, forward you. Yes, and yeah, here we go. You can see the whole wall. You can either open this side, okay, this side, or down this end, that side in here. And whatever is easy for you, you do it. Man, it's weight tons, man. How the hell is this one working like? I don't want to hurt myself. Be careful, huh? Be careful, don't hurt yourself here. You go get bleeding. You touch yourself in here, you go bleeding. It's very strong, number 12 that's attack in here. I don't know for how long. Save my energy and save my beautiful hand, mate. For a magic touch, okay? Oh man, not working. Okay, I see. Go down. Hopefully it works from now. Shit. Yes. So tight, brother. Yes, I got him. And the top one, hopefully we can move it one side and expand the gap between there, and you can take one out. Okay, take this one, expand this side, and pull this one up this way. See, they're coming up right there. Even we got some keep the radiator cap. They don't come with the radiator cap. See, keep that cap, okay? They don't come with the radiator cap for sure. So that the problem is, it's been many years and I never changing one of these on the Toyota Hilux, sorry, Toyota Hilux. Anyway, that's how it is. And the problem is from here, it's built out of water from here. The seal, it's hot and cold. The seal collapse itself and the water leak out. So that's my answer for my friend. Okay, I don't know what you answer. That's how I answer for my friend. So later, lift this bar, I slide them on. That's how you get back out. That's how you get back in. So much paper, man. Where's my knife? No knife. Okay, no knife. slide the new one on. Okay, and be careful, don't let any scratches or anywhere, so you may damage the brand banking new radiator you just bought, and save you not to come back and buy another one, man. Okay, fan through. Yes, I'm happy. The fan cover on the way, so that's why I can't do it. Yes sir, yes sir, that's it. And yeah, so when you're on this one online, you see on itself, and both the two of them in, and put everything back together. You lock, because this is the one that's from the grill, that to stop here, the barrel. This make a barrel for the air to go in here and go into the condenser and radiator to cool down the engine. So you better put that plastic back on for me, please. Okay, without the plastic will be no happy. I'm not happy. Okay, I'm not happy, the customer not happy. Yeah, I told you before, never ever throw your old cap away, because when you buy radiator, they don't give you any caps. Okay, so almost done. Now all the tools and everything pack away. Get green or pinks or purple, choose whatever it is, it's your choice. Okay, I go with my friend red choose, because when the car happened, he rang me and I asked him, have you seen any red or green or colored juice that come out from the radiator? And he said he don't see nothing. So that means it's hard for him to see. So I reckon put red one on, so make it easy for everyone who even don't know about the cars, and they can see the red juice come out and they respond to you, and you would know the car was leaking radiator. So that's it. That makes sense for you? Yeah, so I put the red juice in for him. To me, I tell you, it doesn't matter if you know about the car, it's alright. But if someone who never know about the car, you tell them what color the juice come out, they could never tell you, and they're hard to see because the color is, you know, the green is very hard to see. And I prefer put the pink one on for him. Okay, red one, sorry, red, not pink. Yeah, fill up with all the water and start it up like usual, and let's pump out the air, and we fill it up, and we're happy for him to take the car away. Open up the thermostat to suck the water in, but if it's overheat and radiator not leak from there before, we have to concern about the water pumps. On this particular, the pump always sometimes it's gone on it too, so not always, but it's been done nearly 300,000 K. It's about time maybe the pump is wear and tear out too. So we put an eye on the water and temperature, and we work out the story from there. Okay, my radiator pump set, you can buy them anyway. Pump it up and leave it here like this and let it run, so they can pump in and get the bubble out slowly, and we'll be alright. Okay, we try to see if the temperature they go more than half, we'll be in trouble. But it keeps staying there like that for, we run for another 10-15 minutes and see how it's like. And if it keeps staying like that, that means we got full water and everything ready to go. So really good now. So lucky the engine not blow head gasket, and the water pump maybe still work, so that's the good news. So we keep put pressure like that, and we see the gauge like that. Leave for a few minutes, see if it go down or not. If it stay still, beautiful. Yeah, radiator change, new one. Driving around the block for half an hour and test. So many blocks already done, and the temperature keep stay cool. And what happened is when the engine go overheats, because the cracked radiator, it's overheat and it send out to the cat converter, and it send out overheat and too hot, and they have red engine light on and it's warning. Okay, and it's been 3 years service from my friends, and I checking, like I leave here for 10 minutes before I check the oil dipstick, and then I dip in. My friend super dry. Okay, because been 3 years, my friend doesn't look after the car well, and the car running like very low on oil. You see, not even one drop of oil. Now I give you 2 drops of oil in that corner there. So we try again, and I don't want to bullshit you guys. Okay, I haven't touched it or anything. I check it, see my friend good or not, because working car 3 years, my friend is tied us like me too, don't worry. And no oil in here. So what we do is have to order new air filter, and oil filter, and then replace new oil filter for him, and hopefully we'll keep him another 3 years before he sees Simon again. Lucky something wrong, that's why he see me. If something not wrong, the car keep going until it die. So no blood inside the engine, man. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, thanks for watching Simon 2's radiator been changed now. Been waiting for service and put new oil in for my friends and waiting for service. So my friend run very dry, no oil in here at all, just a little bit, no blood. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand and how to do, and keep look up to the car oil level and water. If it overheat, replace it, and the car keep going forever. I'm very happy with the engine, the way it's still good. Lucky it doesn't overheat. Thanks for watching Simon 2. See ya.